Bismillah. All little scientists, in the name of Allah, we're gonna start. Welcome back. Let's tell me today is what?
Today is
Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah, and what the date?
Thursday.
30
of December,
the year 2021. The weather is raining now.
Yes. Tomorrow is the last day in December month, yeah? And we will start a new year, inshallah.
New year.
Yes, yes, 2022. Okay, may Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Let's start with دعاء. اللهم إني أسألك فهم النبيين وحفظ المرسلين. Please grade 2. Follow our online classroom rules. Be on time. Be prepared. Turn off your camera. Mute your mic. Raise your hand to talk or to ask your teacher. Let's enjoy the new kind of learning together. Again, I will send to you the link. Okay.
Okay.
Try to remember. Yes, on the chat. To remember what the title of our lesson today. Okay.
Okay.
There is no picture.
Yes, honey, I know. Missing the link. Wait.
Teacher, was like a
Teacher, I
puzzle.
want it, please.
What?
I'm teacher.
want it.
Yes, teacher. It's like a puzzle or no?
Yes. For a puzzle, yeah.
Okay.
Teacher, close the chat.
Who's right in the chat?
Amen.
Yes.
No, Ayman, don't write anything in the chat. Okay?
Okay.
Where is the link? Okay, sorry, give me 1 minute. Quickly open it from the chat.
Okay. Okay.
Quickly, okay?
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا أصيل فايز.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. أصيل.
Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Yes.
Asil, our period start on 3, okay?
Okay.
Don't be late, Asil, okay?
Okay.
Quickly open the link. Collect the puzzle or assemble the puzzle pieces. Put together means assemble, yeah? It's hard. Look at the picture. This is the picture to help you. This is the picture of the earth.
Good evening, teacher. I'm Aras.
Good
I'm
evening.
sorry because
Why are
I'm
you
like
late?
the connection
Your connection.
because the connection is and very bad.
Okay, I'll quickly open the link in the chat. Collect the puzzle. Put it together. This puzzle pieces. Okay. Here quickly. Anyone finish?
Yes, teacher. I'm
I see the earth.
Yes.
I
You
see the earth. People holding the earth.
Yes. So tell me, what about our title today?
No, it's not hard. It's easy.
Really? Alhamdulillah. Okay, so tell me what the title of our lesson today?
Slow changes to earth landscape.
Excellent, Omar. Yes, Ali? Again, tell me, Ali, slow changes.
Slow changes to Earth landscape.
Excellent, Ali. Thank you. So this is the title of our lesson today, slow changes to Earth's landscape, okay? And in this lesson, tell me what can cause change on the Earth landscape or change to the Earth landscape. We have two factors, change or effect on the Earth, cause slow change on the Earth landscape. This is number one, and this is number two. I want who? Thank you, Ali. Keep yourself mute. Yes, Asil. Asil.
Yes.
Yes, number one. Tell me what do you observe in number one? It's what?
What you say?
Yes, this is what? What do you observe in this picture, number one?
This water.
It's a water, yeah, the water change and can cause slow changes on the earth or no, Asil?
Yes.
Yes, right, the water causes slow changes on the earth and also a quick change. Thank you, Asil, okay? Now, what
Very
about
easy.
number two, Batal? 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 Rayis?
Yes, teacher, me Batal.
Yes, Batal. In number two, Batal, what do you see in number two? It's a?
It's
When? Yeah, can you read? It's a wind, Batal. It's a?
wind.
Yes. Tell me, Batal, the wind can cause change or slow change on the earth or no?
No,
No, the water cannot cause slow change.
can.
Yes, the water can cause slow changes on the earth. Thank you so much, Batal. Okay, so water and wind cause slow changes on the earth. Let me ask all of you now. Thank you, Batal. Excellent. And Asil. Water and wind also cause high change or quick change on the earth or no?
No. No, no, no.
No, maybe
Slow change.
in a day that have a lot of rain and no and wind. So also cause quick change, high change on the earth.
It also creates quick change.
Yes, like the home will break up and more. Okay. But now in this lesson also we will study the slow changes. Sorry, we will study only the slow changes of the earth's or to the earth's landscape. Okay. I want all of you to look at this rock or this high mountain. The tallest one.
I'm Aris.
Thank you, Ars. Okay. This one, the tallest one. Tell me what do you observe? What about this one? How did this rock can change? Can change after a million years or cannot yet? Ziad? Where are you, Ziad?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, look at Ziad at these rocks or big mountain have different rocks. Yeah. Can you see these rocks? Can change after a million years or cannot change, still the same?
No, yeah.
Change, yeah? Yes, yes, excellent. Change, right. But what can cause change for this mountain? Water and?
Water and
When?
water wind.
Yes, water and wind, excellent. Water and wind, thank you. Thank you, Ziad. Okay, look, now this is number one. After a million years, maybe like this shape. Now we have a tunnel. So how did this tunnel get there? How did this tunnel get there? Yes, Omar, do you know?
Yes, teacher.
How did this tunnel get there? Before, look at picture number one, this before, okay? Like now, and after a million years, it will change like this. And we have a tunnel inside the rocks, okay? What can cause or how did this tunnel get there? How? What caused this rocks? What can cause these rocks to change and give this tunnel?
The wind and water.
Yes, look at the wind and water. Make a tunnel in the rocks. Let's say, subhanAllah, after a million years, the shape of the earth landscape course change, okay? So now And before million years, the earth, the shape of the earth, it's different than now, yeah?
What, teacher?
Before million years, the earth shape or the earth landscape shape, it's changed, different than now, yeah?
Yes, different.
Yes, of course, different. Thank you so much, Omar. So when I ask you, how did the tunnel get there? Water and wind affect on the rocks and make change on the rocks. And now we get this tunnel, okay? Let's go online. No one open the video, please. All of you stop your video. Okay, open the website. All right. Okay, let's discover this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, honey. This one. Yes, yes, so.
Teacher, I can go to the bathroom.
You can.
Teacher,
Okay.
you can't.
Number one.
You can't. Teacher, you can't send the link in the Telegram because I'm
Okay.
in my
You
phone
want to
of my
play?
mom.
Okay, you want to play again? Okay, if we finish the video, inshallah.
No, not to play. The link of the Zoom because I want to open it from the iPad.
Yeah, okay.
I don't
Okay.
very much.
Okay, now look at this picture. How did this rocks get its shape? Again, how did this rocks get its shape? Nu'ayman.
Yes.
How did this rocks get its shape, honey?
Shape.
By what? What caused change on these rocks and get this tunnel? Water and?
Yes.
Water and what, Nu'ayman?
Water
Mhm.
and
Okay, Thanayan, can you help Nu'ayman? Water and wind and what?
water and
If you know Thanayan,
sky.
you can help Nu'ayman.
Sky. Water and sky.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, you know? No, not the sky. What can cause change on these rocks? Water and? Again, I will show you the picture. Water and what? Yes, Thanayan or Nu'ayman, water and?
Water and
What is this? Wind? Water and wind.
Wind.
Again, Thanayan, water and?
wind.
Again, water and?
Wind.
Yes, water and wind. Again, Nu'ayman, thank you, Thanayan. Yes, Nu'ayman, water and? Yes, water and?
Water and clay.
Wind, water and wind. Can you see this wind?
Water and wind.
Yes, Nu'ayman, can you
Window.
see this wind?
Water and window.
Yes, water and wind. Water and wind. Thank you, honey. Water and wind. So again, water and wind causes change in these rocks, and then we will get this tunnel, okay? Let's watch this video. Keep yourself mute all, please. Without sound, yeah?
It have no sound.
Without. And the water it has no sound. Yeah. Me.
Here. What do you see? Which causes change on these rocks? No. Keep yourself mute. No, let me ask you. No. Thank you. Yes, Yusuf. What can change on these rocks? What can cause change on these rocks?
It can change.
Yes.
You can change
By what?
by
Nawaf, stop your video.
water.
Yes, by the water. Excellent. Water and wind cause change in the shape of rocks. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Okay. Okay, so again, you can hear click bars of the rocks you think have a change. Which one changed? Only this. We have a tunnel. The rocks get a tunnel because the water and wind change the shape of these rocks. Okay, water and wind change the shape of these rocks. Okay, let's start our activity. Today we have another activity. Let's start it. Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, I can go bathroom. I am Mishan.
Okay, you can go.
In this lesson, we will use evidence to explain how wind and water change Earth's landscape. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson. What effect do you think water is having on the rocks at the bottom of the cliffs? In this activity, you'll observe how water and rocks can change other rocks. To carry out this investigation, you'll use safety goggles, 10 pebbles, 8 small pieces of chalk, a jar with a lid, a stopwatch, a hand lens, water, and a paper towel. To complete this activity, you'll shake pebbles, chalk, and water in different combinations to observe the effects. Before you begin, make a prediction. How will water and rocks affect the way chalk changes? Take a moment to share your prediction with your classmates.
Let's
Then
make a
select
prediction,
Continue.
Okay. So now we have a chalk, okay? I think all of you know this chalk, yeah? This chalk, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Tell me now how this chalk can change in the water and with the rocks, okay? Try to think. If we put this water, this chalk inside the water and with the rocks,
Yes.
yes,
The water, it will be
no,
white.
no, wait. No, one by one. Yes, Elias.
Miss Teacher.
First, if we put this chalk in the water. Again,
Yes, teacher.
yes, honey, what will
Yes.
happen?
This small piece, this I don't know. We put in the water. Will be
Will
wet.
broke up? Will broke up in water or no?
Will broke up.
Yes, will broke up in water more?
Yes.
More in water or with the rocks more? Which more?
With the rocks. With the rocks.
With the rocks more?
Yes.
Okay, yes. What about you, Ars? Tell me.
No, in the water. In the water. In the water. In the water.
Yes, in
In
the
the
water.
water. It's
Yes,
broken in the water, it will be white. In
Yes.
the rock,
Yes,
it will be white.
yes, wet and or softer, yeah?
It's like softer, like
Wait.
this.
Yes, it will be softer and wet
Softer.
in the water and also broke up more in the water, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, broke up because the water is liquid. Teacher, the water is liquid. The
Yes.
water is liquid.
Thanks,
Broke
Ed.
up.
Thank you. Yes, yes,
What-
broke
what-
up more. Okay, thank you, honey. Okay, broke up more. Okay, tell me again, which one you can break apart more? You can break apart more. Rayes, I want Rayes. Rayes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, if you put this chalk in the water and with the rocks, you can take
What?
apart. Listen
What,
to
what?
me, Rayes, again. I will not repeat again, okay? Listen to me.
Okay.
Now you will put this chalk with the water and then you will put it again with the rocks, okay? Some of this chalk with the water, other with the rocks, okay?
Yes.
Yes. Which one you can break apart more?
So,
From the water or from
water.
the rocks? Again, what?
From the water.
Yes, excellent. The chalk will break apart more with the water. Thank you, Rice. Excellent. Okay, again, let's start our activity and pick your answer. What?
You say me because ma'am leave the meeting.
No, Asli, thank you. Okay, we start.
Before you begin, to protect your eyes, you'll need to put on your safety goggles. Start by using your hand lens to observe the 4 pieces of chalk. Now place the 10 pebbles and 4 pieces of chalk in the jar. Attach the lid to the jar by twisting the lid clockwise. Twist the lid until you can't turn it anymore. For the next step, your partner will use the stopwatch to time you as you shake the jar for 2 minutes. Remember to hold on to the jar tightly with both hands as you shake it. Stop shaking the jar when your partner tells you to. Leave the lid on your jar as you observe the chalk with the hand lens. What do you see?
Yeah, so as you observe, what about with the chalk with rocks or with pebbles? Yeah, Nawaf. Yes, Nawaf? 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 Where are you? Okay. Abdul Malik. Yes, Abdul Malik?
Yes.
Yes, as you observe now, what about the chalk with rocks? Okay, focus more. No?
Wait a minute before removing the lid. Carefully remove the lid. Pick out the 4 pieces of chalk and place them in front of you. Use the hand lens to get a closer look at the chalk. Pick out the 10 pebbles and set them down in front of you. Slowly and carefully, empty any powder in the jar into a trash can. Move slowly so you do not create a cloud of chalk dust. Now record your data. In your notebook, draw what you observed. Select Continue when you finish recording your data.
Yes, Abdul Malik. Tell me, what do you observe, Abdul Malik? Now, what about the chalk? The chalk break apart or no?
Yeah.
Still large pieces or break apart into smaller pieces?
Yeah.
What? Which one? Give me your answer. It will.
The bar.
It will break apart into smaller pieces. It will what?
Yeah.
You know what the meaning
Break
of break
apart.
apart? Now it's a big or
Yeah.
large pieces. It will break apart to small pieces like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it is
Like
wet
this.
or still dry?
Wet.
Wet, but the rocks.
No, still dry. Still
Yes,
dry.
it's still dry. Okay, so it's still dry, but break apart. Yeah, but what?
Yeah, break apart.
Yes, thank you, Abdul Malik. Okay, let's go to the
Yeah, thank
water,
you.
or let's observe what will happen with the water. Thank you, honey.
Cloud of chalk dust. Now record your data. In your notebook, draw what you observed. Select Continue when you finish recording your. Next, you're going to see what effect adding water has when you shake the pebbles and chalk. Do you think there will be a difference? Discuss your ideas with your group. Add the 10 pebbles and 4 new pieces of chalk to the jar. Slowly pour the water into the jar. Attach the lid to the jar. Turn the lid until it is tight. Just as before, your partner will use the stopwatch to time you as you shake the jar for 2 minutes. Remember to hold on to the jar tightly with both hands as you shake it. Stop shaking the jar when your partner tells you to. Observe the jar, water, pebbles, and chalk. Walk to the sink. Loosen the lid on the jar, but do not remove the lid completely. We want to empty the water, but stop the solid pieces of chalk and pebbles from falling into the sink. Carefully empty the water into the sink. Rinse the sink with water, then return to your workspace. Carefully remove the lid. Pick out the 4 pieces of chalk and place them in front of you. If your chalk is still wet, you can place it on a folded paper towel. We used a sheet of black construction
Keep
paper
yourself
to
mute.
make observing the chalk easier. Use the hand lens to get a closer look at the chalk. What differences do you see? Record your data. Draw or write about the chalk in your notebook.
Tell me what difference.
When you finish recording your
differences
data,
you see. Yes, Ali
select
Gamal.
Continue.
Ali Gamal.
Teacher, how many minutes
Three
and we
pieces
will
of chalk.
finish?
Wait. Yes, Ali
Going
Gamal.
to record your data. We used a sheet of black construction
Tell me,
paper.
what about, or what do you observe? What happened to the chalk with the water? With water and rocks, what happened now? The water still or become softer? Still solid or become softer? Number one.
Still.
Still solid? Or now it's wet with the water?
Still solid.
Still solid, not wet? Not become wet or softer with the water? You put the chalk with the water. How the water affect this chalk? It's not become softer, Nuaiman, or become softer? Nuaiman.
To make observing the
Yes, let's take some in Aman. No.
Whose answer? You, yeah, or no, or another one?
What?
Who's answering me? I'm sorry. Ali Gamal. Ali. Ali.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Ali. Now, did you remember the clay? Yes? Did you remember the clay, honey, or no?
Yes.
The clay become more softer, okay? You can make different shape by the clay when you heat the clay. As now, or like now, when you put the chalk with the water, it becomes softer or no?
No.
No, it's not, will be wet with the water.
Yes.
Yes, it will be wet and softer. It will be wet and?
Softer.
Yes, wet and softer. Okay, thank you, Ali. What about you, Muhammad? Muhammad? And the chalk, Muhammad, broke up more.
Yes,
Broke up more in the water or before in the rocks?
before in the rocks.
In the rocks or in the water? Broke up more
The water.
into
the
smaller
water.
pieces. Yeah, broke up more also in the water. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's open your book, all of you, please.
Page what?
Page 9.
Unit.
What, honey? Unit 3. Now we are in Unit 3, okay? Yeah, now we are in Unit 3.
chalk that was not shaken at all. Now that you've finished collecting your data, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.
Okay, open your book on page 9. This question number 7. How did the water affect the way the chalk changed? Who can tell me how did the water affect the way? Write this answer. The chalk broke up more in water. No, Elias. Thank you. Let me check.
Okay.
Who's not answer today? Who's not answer?
I'm Abdullah. I didn't answer.
No, Ali, you answer. Keep yourself mute, please.
Well,
Fahad.
me Battal.
No, but tell you answer. Okay. I think all. Okay. So,
Teacher.
yes, Fahad. Fahad?
Fahad.
Yes, Fahad. Yes, Fahad. I call your name. Yes, honey. Please write this answer in your book after or down this question number 7. Yes, Fahad. How did the water affect the way the chalk changed? Now the chalk changed or no? In the water?
No.
Not change in the water, still the same?
Yes.
Yes, it's a change, yeah? So tell me, it broke up more in water or with rocks?
What?
It broke up more in water or in rocks?
In rock.
In rocks? This chalk. Do you know the chalk, Fahad? If you put the chalk in the water, it's still the same or broke up more with the water? Wait. More, yeah? And become softer, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will broke up more and become what again, Fahad?
Here come
Yeah, softer, become?
softer.
Yes, become softer. Thank you, Fahad. Okay, right? All of you right? Please.
Teacher.
Yes, honey.
Right.
What?
Teacher, yes. I want to do something. We have two yes. I have me and you have another one. Is a yes. What is Ziad? Because Ziad is not here. We changed his name.
Yeah, the change of name, really?
Yes.
Yes.
When his name is yes, like me.
Okay.
Like my one.
Why change your name, Elias? Ziad. You want to change your name to be Elias? Okay, let me check who's absent today. Yusuf, Omar, Ali, Ziad, Fanayan. Okay, no one absent. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so all of you right?
No.
Take your time. Whatever is still record.